So please note down the topic, write an application to your principal ma'am requesting her to increase games period in your timetable. So now you have to tell me the format one by one. I will speak up the name, the student will unmute, then he or she will tell me the first line only, okay? So Chaitanya, please tell me the first line, beta, only first line. This is your margin line, suppose this is your notebook and this is the margin line, okay? Yes, Chaitanya, please unmute and tell me the first line. What should I write in the first line? Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, the principal, Swami Sandas Public School.
Only one line, okay. The principal. Now you have to keep in mind that T should be capital. This T should be capital and P should be capital. I have seen so many students, who write this P small. So I will definitely better deduct your marks if you will write this thing as small letter. So the principal, T should be capital, P should be capital, okay? Next is, please, Agrim, please unmute. After that, Mehak. Agrim, tell me the next line. What should I write in the next line? You can unmute.
Ma'am, Swami Sandas Public School.
How should I write?
Ma'am, Swami Sandas Public School.
लिखना कैसे बेटा?
Ma'am, capital.
Okay. Each word will have first letter capital. Okay. Swami Sant Das Public School.
Yes, ma'am.
Swami Sant Das Public School. Mehak, next line beta. Mehak.
Ma'am, next line we will write Jalandhar city.
You will write Jalandhar
will be
city
capital.
or you can write JP Nagar, that is optional. You can directly write Jalandhar city, okay? And Mehak,
And
how
J
should I
will be
write?
capital.
Bache, how should I
And
write?
J will be capital and
J should be capital and?
C should be capital.
Yes. Jalandhar city, J should be capital and C should be capital. Okay, who's the next one?
Ma'am, C.
Pavneet. हाँ जी बेटा. Yes, Agrim.
Ma'am, C should be small.
No,
Ma'am,
C
C should be small.
No, beta, it should be capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Pavneet, please tell me the next line. Pavneet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who's
मैम वो हमें ना मैम जो पहले एप्लीकेशन करवाई थी ना मैम चैतन्या
Chaitanya?
मैम जो हमने पहले एप्लीकेशन करवाई थी ना मैम उसमें मैम जो हमने पहले एप्लीकेशन करवाई थी ना मैम उसमें स्वामी संदास के नीचे जेपी नगर जलंधर सिटी लिखा था।
Bache, that is optional. You can write JP Nagar, you cannot. That is your choice, okay? So obviously in Jalandhar city, we are having one Swami Sandas Public School, right? So no need to write JP Nagar still. If you want, you can write JP Nagar Jalandhar city. That is your choice, okay? Okay, next one is Pavneet. Pavneet, what should I write? Please tell me next one.
मैम
Okay, you will leave one line here. You will leave one line here, then you will write date. Pavneet, how to write date, beta?
Ma'am, first we will write 15.
Then
15 April.
APRIL, full name should be there. Then 2021. No dot, no comma is required. Simply write 15 April 2021. Then leave one line here. Okay, okay, fine, beta. Next one is Divyanshi. Divyanshi, please unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita. Now, what should I write here after date?
Subject.
Okay, how to write subject, Divyanshi? क्या subject लिखा?
Ma'am, to increase game period in our timetable.
Repeat it. Karthik.
Ma'am, respected ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to tell you how to write subject. First letter should be capital. Always.
Ma'am.
अगर आपने इसको small लिखा, again I will deduct your marks. Request and please avoid ing word. I have seen 90% student who write ing word here, requesting. That is not correct. You have to avoid ing word. Okay. So request to increase games period.
The limit of games period.
Repeat it, beta. Your voice is not clear. Who's speaking again?
Ma'am, request to increase the limit of games period.
Request to increase the limit of games period. Limit beta refers to maybe time also. कि आपको चाहिए कि 2 पीरियड इकट्ठे दे दो 1 hour 2 hours. So request to increase number of games period. Number of ठीक है?
Games period.
You will leave one line. Then randomly one student please speak up. What should I write? Anyone?
Ma'am, respected madam. Respect ma'am.
Respect, ma'am.
R should be capital, respected. Then ma'am. So this is the format. Okay. The principal T should be capital, P should be capital. Swami Sandas Public School, SSDPS, that should be capital. Jalandhar City, J and C.
Ma'am.
Then leave one line. Give me 1 minute, beta. 1 minute. You will leave one line, then you will write date. Again, leave one line, subject, फिर से leave line. So 1, 2, 3, 3 lines should be left. Now please speak up. Who was asking the question?
Ma'am, I want to ask that we will write this application after the class finishes.
But I didn't get your question. Please repeat your question, please.
Ma'am, I was asking that we will write this application on fair copy today or tomorrow.
Better today you have to write. Let me check that today is your homework day or not. Then let me check, please. Give me 1 minute. No, today is not your homework day. So whenever your homework day will be there, I will give you this application. You can do this in your fair whenever you get time. Okay. So everyone, please note down this thing. Now I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Think about the body of the application. I am a student of this or that, whatever. Think about the body of the application. Then I'll discuss with you. You have 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, respected ma'am के बाद comma आना है.
No, beta. No comma. In English application, no comma, no full stop in the upper format. Leave all the things. In Hindi and Punjabi, we put comma here, Shriman ji, but not in English, okay? So please note down, write the body of the letter. I'm giving you 2 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm taking your attendance and I'm marking the absent of students whose video is off. So I have taken the screenshots and screenshot में video off का sign already आ रहा है. So I will make sure that I will mark your absent. Okay. So 1 minute is left. Quickly, please. I'm going to lower your hand for 1 minute. Please raise your hand again if you have done. Raise your hand as soon as you do the body of the letter. Quickly, please. Okay, Karthik, Shalin, and Divit. I think Divit is the new student, right? Divit, please unmute.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, yes.
Okay, welcome beta to our school, and from where you have done your class 5 beta?
Okay, ma'am.
From where you have done your class 5?
Ma'am, Ludhiana.
Ludhiana? Okay, which school?
Vardhaman.
Okay, so welcome from all the students, okay? So I hope you will study very well in this school, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next one is Samriti. I just want to talk to Samriti. No, she is not here. I will give chance to the student whose video is off. So let me start with Pranav. Pranav, please tell me the body of the letter. Speak up, beta. Mahi.
Ma'am, I am the student of class 6 study in your school. I want to request you to increase the sports period in school. In school, sports are good for our health. It refreshes our mind. And after studying 2 or 3 periods, we need enjoyment. So the number of sports periods should be increased in your school. So I request you to increase the number of sports periods in our school.
Okay, thanking you. Yours sincerely. Okay. Fine, beta. Well done. Next is Karthik. Karthik, please tell me. And others, please get ready.
Student of class 6D in your school, there are 7 periods daily. There is so much burden of studies, so I request you to increase game period. In this way, students relax our mind. Game are very important for our health. Also, so I request you arrange to increase the game period.
Okay, well done, beta. We have so many periods every day, and we feel so much burdened, or we feel so much bored. And games period, increases our, physical fitness or whatever you can write. Okay, well done, beta. Others, please raise your hand. Karthik, well done. Please, others. What about you? Others, please raise your hands. Chaitanya, have you written?
मैम मैं 2 लाइन रहती है, मैं लिख रहा हूँ बस.
Okay, quickly, please do that. And others also. Okay, take 1 more minute and write some nice lines. Give 1 to 2 reasons why you need some more games period. One thing is sure, you can say that we hardly have, 2 games period in our timetable, and sometimes teachers take arrangements, and sometimes games period, doesn't happen. So you can just note down these things. Then Agrim. Yes, Agrim.
Ma'am, I am writing. I want to state that I am a student of class 6D. I am writing this application to inform how hectic our schedule these days have become. We hardly have been included with games period in our weekly schedule. Games period refreshes our mind. On my behalf of my class, I am writing this letter to increase the games period. So kindly grant increase the games period in the timetable. Thanking you, yours obediently.
Okay, beta, don't write kindly grant increase, kindly increase. You can please don't use the word grant, otherwise well done. Okay, nice. So our schedule is so hectic. Okay, we just study the whole day. We don't get time to refresh our mind. So it's my humble request to you to increase the games period. Okay, Muskan. Muskan, please speak up, bache.
Ma'am, I am the student of class 6G. I am writing this letter to request you to increase games period in your timetable. It increases the energy level. It also helps in making healthy body. It also refreshes our mind. It is a humble request to increase the games period.
Okay, well done, beta. Raghav. Raghav, unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, daily I keep on, repeating this thing that please turn on your video. What's wrong, beta? Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, my video is on.
No,
Ma'am, my video is on.
no, it was off.
Ma'am, but my video is on.
Gurcharan. Gurcharan, last time I want to ask you, otherwise I'm going to remove you. Divit, turn on your video. Divit. Arnav. Arnav, I think last time I removed you, and this time I'm again thinking the same. Pavneet. Gurcharan, such a nice face you have, then why do you hide it every day? What's the reason? Tanishka. Divit, turn on your video. Last time I'm saying this. Arnav. Pavni. Muskan, well done, beta. You spoke so well. Next is Chaitanya. Arnav, I'm going to remove you. Okay, you are here. Karthik also. Yes, please, Chaitanya. Please start. Only
Ma'am, respected ma'am, I am a student of class 6D of your school. I want to request you that please increase the games period, because after 5 periods we need some refreshments, and we also need some physical fitness.
Okay. So
So
what?
it's a humble request to increase the games period.
Okay. It's my humble request to you to increase the games period. Okay. Well done.
Games period.
Raghav, please speak up the body of the letter. Raghav. Tanishka, how
I
many
am a
times, beta? Okay, yes, you are here, Tanishka. Manya and Sarabjeet only. Yes, Raghav.
I am a student of class 5D. I want to request you for the I want to request you for to increase our games period in our timetable. Uh, we had
We have only 2 games period in a week.
we have only 2 games period in a week. This always give make our restless and
Okay, fine.
and we do not enjoy school.
Okay, fine. Now,
This is my humble request.
Tanishka, please add. I am a student. Jaldi se Tanishka, please unmute. I am a student of. Other students, please do the ending. Thanking you, yours sincerely. Tanishka, unmute. No, I'm not able to hear you, Tanishka. No, don't speak, beta. No need. Yes, Divit. I'm not able to hear you, Tanishka. Divit, please speak up.
Ma'am, I am writing.
You are writing? Okay, you have 2 minutes more. Pavneet, you got turn, Pavneet? Pavneet, did you get turn? No? Okay, speak up. Everyone will get turn. Quickly, please. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
I am a student of class 6D of your school. Ma'am, ma'am, we do not get games period. We hardly get 2 periods of games. Ma'am, because of this, we all get tired.
Because of these only 2 periods we get games, okay, games period, and we feel tired, okay, then
Ma'am, we need a games period as we do not as we waste our time in going and coming from ground to the class. And sometimes student makes noise, so sometimes ma'am cut our games period.
yes, okay, well done. So okay, we get only 2 games period, and we generally, the students of my class, generally waste this period by making so much noise, and sometimes we get punishment and our games period get cancelled. Very nice for me. Yes, Kinjal, please unmute.
I am a student of class 6.
Kinjal, loudly.
I am a student of class 6D. I want to request you to arrange more games period in a timetable. We hardly have 2 games period in a week, so sometimes arrangement period occurs, or sometimes our games period does not occur. Games period refreshes our mind. It also helps us to maintain our body fit and healthy. Kindly increase the games period in a timetable. I shall be thankful. Thanking you, yours obediently, Kinjal, class 6, roll number 6.
Angel, very nice, beta. Only one mistake was there. If you are adding one line, I shall be very thankful to you, है ना? Then you are not supposed to write thanking you again. ठीक है? Above that, you are sincerely. या तो आप line लिख दो, I shall be very thankful. या तो आप thanking you लिख दो, okay? Agrim, turn on video. Okay, next is Muskan, Pranav. Muskan, I think you got turn. Pranav, Mehak, Radhika, one by one.
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan, you got
Ma'am.
I think you got turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav Khurana, did you get turn? Pranav. Okay, Mehak, did you get turn, beta? Mehak.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no.
Okay, then speak up.
With due respect, I would like to state you that I am a student of class 5th D, 6th D. I have brought this notice to you to tell you that please increase the games period because we have only 2 games period in 1 week. So we get bored. We have after 5 periods we need some rest, and in games period refreshes our mind, and it is good for our mental fitness.
Okay.
And please, it is a humble request to increase the games period. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Mehak 6D, roll number 21.
Okay, well done. Well done, beta. Or just return on your video, otherwise I'm going to remove you. So Radhika and other student, please note down the spelling of sincerely. As I told you, so many students write it incorrect.
Yes, ma'am.
Pick up the body of the letter.
Ma'am.
I am a student of.
Ma'am, I am the student of class 6D. Class 6D. I want to request you that please increase the games period because we are only having 2 periods. We get burden after studying, so if so, after game period, we will get energy and get active. Kindly increase our games period. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Radhika.
Okay, beta, I heard so many students. I heard the answers of so many students. So now let's sum up the points which students said. So I'm a student of class 6th D. First of all, obviously, I'm writing this letter to tell you no, to request you. If you want to write this line, I am writing this letter to request you to increase our games period. In a week, we hardly have 2 games period, and which is not sufficient for us. Okay? We feel tired after so many period, and like Agrim said that we have a very hectic schedule. You can add this line also. Games are very important for our physical as well as mental health. Okay? Whenever I say in class na कि student should speak, इसका मतलब ये होता है that we should pick the nice points. जिसका भी आपको line अच्छी लगे, you have to pick that line and you have to add that line in your notebook. Okay? Then games are very important for us. They keep us physically as well as mentally fit. Okay? So it's my humble request to you to increase games period. Then thanking you sincerely. 90% students don't write this E. Please keep in mind CERE. Don't forget this E, beta. So many students forget this E. Okay? Yours sincerely, your name, class, roll number. Okay? So this was the application. What you have to do, you have to just write it in your fair notebook. Now, if you have any question in your mind, any doubt, then you can ask me right now. You can raise your hand. You can ask me the question if you have any doubt in your mind. Yes, please. Raise your hand if you have any question. Mehak, ask your question, beta. Mehak.
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट मैम आप लोग मैसेज भेज दोगे ग्रुप में कि कब काम करना है मैम एप्लीकेशन कब लिखनी है
Beta, you can do it today. Otherwise, whenever you have the homework day, I will send you the message. Okay. Otherwise, you can do it today. Okay. No problem.
ओके मैम
Okay. Next is
थैंक यू मैम
Welcome, beta. Agrim, ask your question, beta.
मैम मैंने अभी कर लिया.
You have done that. I hope you have done neatly, beta, in neat and clean handwriting.
मैम यस मैम. मैम पहले मैंने उसको रफ में लिखा फिर मैंने फेयर में लिख लिया.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Then Radhika, you can ask your question. Radhika. बच्चे unmute. Yes.
यस मैम. मैम मैंने कहना था कि जो आपने चैप्टर करवाया था मैम हाउस और होम वाला, मैम उसका क्वेश्चन कौन सा है?
Only one question, beta. What is the difference between home and a house?
मैम
Yes, Radhika.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
You have to write in paragraph form only. Don't write in point wise. ना तो point wise लिखना, ना ही ऐसे line draw करके. That this is home, this is house. Only in paragraph form. Okay. Other students, if you are having any doubt in your mind regarding literature, writing skill, grammar, you can ask me right now. Okay. So we have just 1 minute left with us, and today I'll take your attendance and I'll send you the absentees. So please be regular in the class. And where is Samriti? Beta, Amanjit ma'am is trying to just contact you, but you are not anywhere, I think. Not in the class, not on the phone. So, Agrim again. Yes, Agrim.
मैम वो मेरा पहले का ही रह गया हुआ है.
So I hope you have no doubt because no hand is raised. Okay, then I'll meet you tomorrow. We'll do some grammar work tomorrow. Okay? Chalo beta. Okay, take care. Bye beta.